Hey traders, John Howell here. Let's get straight into a bit of an update. Gold, silver, mining stocks, the markets itself as well too. What's happening right now? Some really important key levels. And also Blackstone. What's going on with Blackstone? Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, make sure you grab access to that free trading course. Link in the description there. It's free, right? It literally is free. The very first video yet, guys, is actually a 25-minute video of me walking through my trading system. It literally is for free, guys. So if you're struggling right now, go get access to that trading course. One thing, guys, I've actually been going to the Tony Robbins. I've been going to Unleash the Power Within for the last couple of days myself. And one of the things that I really want to stress upon you guys when it comes down to these markets and trading is model success, okay? Model success. What I mean by that is that how are you approaching your trading right now? Right? How are you approaching your trading right now? Are you trading the pose of a seat of the pants? Meaning like, oh, I'm looking for the next quick idea from a YouTube video. If that's you, who do you know that's actually really successful in the markets that does that? You got to be honest with yourself, right? Let's actually be raw, real, be honest. How are you approaching these markets? If you actually want to do well from trading, then let's start model success. Right, let's model success. What do they common? What's the common characteristics of a successful trader? Do they watch many YouTube videos looking for the next idea? Because if that's how you're approaching it, what do you expect to get for the next 12 months? You know what I mean? Like we need to be building a foundation so we can make and break a progress off the back of people that we know, like, and trust. Most of you guys say, John, you're an idiot. What are you talking about? Right? And so we're gonna have a good look at ourselves. If we actually want to do well from this thing called trading, let's actually start to model. And it's got nothing to do with their strategy about how do they think about their trading. Like for example, do you think you have to be trading every day to make money from the markets? If you're a day trader and you look at the markets every day, are you okay not taking a trade? Because guess what? Success in trading, the thinking that thinking there, that's the thing that's keeping you broke, right? Because the reality is, guess what? The successful traders out there, when they're following the system, they know there's not trades every single day, right? So anyway, that's just one thing there from the thinking process that what I'm talking about there. So let's have a look at this here. Blackstone. I just want to bring up Blackstone just quickly, guys. With me and my private clients. Oh, by the way, guys, if you're interested in becoming a private client, if you're interested in becoming a private client, guys, I'm actually giving away a one hour free coaching call, a 1 hour what we call a trading plan creation call. That second link in the description there, guys. Click on that. It literally is 1 hour with me and you. I've got 10 spots open. I think I've got maybe a few spots left now for next week. So if you're interested in getting a 1 hour trading plan creation call with me. And then obviously I also talked to you about the coaching program on there. But even if the coaching program's not right for you guys, I am giving away a 1 hour trading plan creation call where I'll find out where you are, where you want to go, what you want to do, and create a plan for you. Looking at Blackstone here, guys, we're really starting to see a really big breakout here. So again, thanks to one of my private clients today who mentioned this to me. Let's go look at the stock market. So I'm going to touch on the Dow Jones here, and I'm going to bring up the Dow Jones only out of the indices, but the Dow Jones is that thing, and I was talking about this with my private clients today. What is this right now? All right, we're in a pickle. We're in a pickle, right? Mr. Pickle. Oh, Mr. Pickle hasn't come out for a while, has he? So we're in a bit of Mr. Pickle. We're in a bit of a Mr. Pickle here, right? Why? Because the Mr. Pickle says it's actually. Firstly, we are in an over upward trend. So trend is your friend until the end. The end of the trend is not here yet. So you still want to be friends with him, right? Still be friends with him. But until he turns on you, when he does turn on you, you wipe your hands and you walk away. Say, hey, here's my rear end. Here's my two fingers, middle of them, the two middle fingers, by the way. Kiss my ass, baby. I'm out of here, right? Boom, right? That's your attitude. But as long as he's pretty good to you and we're still good there, right? And he's not doing anything bad against you, cool, right? But if the trend is up and your uptrend is your friend, and suddenly he turns on you, well, guess what? You turn on it as well too, right? So we can see what's going on here. High, lower high. Oh man, my voice is day 2. Oh, it's actually day 3 now of Tony Robbins, and my voice is just I hope my voice lasts anyway. I hope my voice lasts. So a high, lower high, and now we're doing this here. So that's what's happening right now in the stock market, guys. As in, like, we are in an overall upward trend. So what I'm looking for is this: if we get a nice little break up, okay, cool. We get that there. That's probably the signal there. We're probably going to make a new higher. We continue down and start to break past this level here. We're at 2 major level of support level here, guys. Whew, whew, false breakout, big drop. Here we go. Right now, the one market that I'm looking at, the one market that I do like is gold, right? Look at this here, gold. Gold. Right, so gold. So let's have a look at this here. So gold here, triangle. Oh, this is the triangle pattern here, right? Look at this here, right? Look at this here, right? Now, all right, look at this here, right? So strong movement on the downside through here, through this triangle pattern, right? And so what do we actually see here though, right? What is this? It's actually a triangle pattern, but look what's happening right now, right? The buyers are starting to come back in here. And my software's playing up. Come on now. Come on, TC2000. Be nice. Be nice. All right. So we're coming down, low, higher, low, right? And now we're developing this movement through here, right? So we can see here that we're developing this nice little move down, and we can see that through there, and we can see low and higher low from there, right? So this could be the signal, guys. I'm telling you right now that this. Let me take that off the screen here. This could be the signal here. This triangle pattern. Is it going to be a false breakout first, and then a move to the upside, or is this high low coming into place and a breakout, and away we go? Right, so we could. What's gonna happen here? But I do believe, guys, we are on the cusp. We are on the cusp of a really, 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 really good move out of gold. I can just feel it. I can sense it. It's just in the bones of me right now. It's like, John, you talked about model success just 5 minutes ago. Tell me who trades the markets that says I can feel it in my bones. That's how I trade. Right? I'm feeling it in my bones, guys, because there's actually some method to my madness, right? The method to my madness is what? This is that we are in an overall big upward trend, up, down, up. We're still in this overall down. So I believe we could be seeing a ricochet rabbit to the upside. A ricochet rabbit to the upside. You see what I'm saying there, right? A ricochet rabbit to the upside. So there's a method to my madness. When I say it's in my bones, I can feel it in my fingers. I can feel it in my toes, right? Love is all around me. Or actually, the market doesn't love you at all. It doesn't give a shit about you. But you see what I'm saying there, right? So that's what's going on there. Okay, so get ready, guys. Get ready. And the same for the mining sector as well. Like, this is the GDXJ. Like, whew, just because we're descending, a descending triangle pattern doesn't always mean it's going to go down. If you do think that, you've read old textbooks, that's the old school of thinking. A lot of the times you're going to get a descending triangle pattern and then a bullish breakout. Let me give you an example here. Look at Ford. What did Ford do? Big descending triangle pattern. It's going to break down. Boom, to the upside, right? So that's what I want to share with you. Anyway, guys, hope this helps you out. Once again, traders, if you just need some help, right, some guidance, maybe the mistakes you're making, grab that free trading course, first thing in the description. If you do need more one-on-one help, guys, I am giving away a 1-hour trading plan creation call. We're going to find where you are, where you want to go, the mistakes you're making. I've been trading the markets for 19 years, guys, so I can really understand where maybe your thinking is wrong about trading the markets. Maybe the way that you're approaching the market is wrong. Maybe you're making a lot of mistakes, you don't even realize it. I'll be able to sift through all that and create like a really good plan for you to help you move forward. On that call, and then obviously I'll talk about my coaching program as well too. If you're interested in that, cool. If not, there's no pressure on that call as well too, guys. I'm just doing this because I really want to help you out. I'm coming off a really successful year financially, and I'm just doing this as a way of celebrating a successful year. And I'm also doing this as a way of giving back as well too. So if you do need some help, guys, then book that 1-hour trading plan creation call with me, and then I'll personally hop on the call with you to help you out. And hey, if you become a private client at the end, cool. If not, there's not going to be any pressure at all, but I'm just here to serve and support you. Have a great day, guys.